Art fashion for me, it's all about uniqueness, to be very special with a special piece, because we are all unique, all different. No more boring clothes. Please, let's have fun. Let's put some color. So, if you want your one-of-a-kind piece made by me, contact me. So it will be a pleasure to do you something very special that represents you. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Oscar Wilde. And my quote, it's be unique, be you, by Zoom Chérie. Hope you like my little quote. Thank you for watching. Love you.